Welcome back guys, Lumafusion 5 is here. There's loads of new features which we'll be covering in future videos, but in this video we're going to be talking about the big news. It's finally here, speed ramping. Let's check it out. So here we are in Lumafusion 5 and we're going to use this clip of Luna in the garden here. She's biting a bit of water from the hose, then she has a shake and then she goes back to biting the water from the hose. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is double tap on that clip. Make sure we're in the speed and reverse page down here, and then we're going to move the playhead back to the beginning of the clip. Let's play that through to where we want the speed ramp to begin. So let's put that about here, and we'll tap there to add a keyframe. Move it on to where we want it to be in slow motion. Tap to add another keyframe. And then we'll bring the speed down like that, down to 1, because I've shot this at 240 frames a second, so we get nice smooth slow motion. Now if we go up to the top here and tap this symbol, you'll see that we've got some curves already for the speed ramp. But what we want to do is we want to create our own easing. So we're going to go up to the top here and tap this little symbol, and you'll see we get another display here. So we can now use these sliders to create our own easing curve for the speed ramp. So if we create a nice, kind of like a loose S-curve like this, and if we move the playhead back and play that through, we're going to get a nice smooth ease into the slow motion like this. Super cool. Now we're going to do the same in reverse. We're going to tap to add a keyframe there, move along to where we want it to go back to normal speed, tap to add another keyframe. So let's move the speed slider back up to 1 times, so it goes back to normal speed, and then we're going to use these sliders along the bottom again to create our own curve. Let's create another smooth S curve like that. Okay, so bring the playhead right back and the end result looks like this. And it's that simple. More Lumafusion 5 videos coming up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.